My day job is a pilot for British Airways, flying in 787s around the world. And when I'm not flying planes, I work as a .NET developer. I was dropping my boys at school and Sharon, our friends, said, Cliff, have you seen the news today about the dad that 3D printed an arm for his daughter? You got a 3D print, haven't you, Cliff? Yeah, I have, Sharon. Yeah, I have. And it started from there. Caden is Sharon and Paul's son. He's born with no left forearm, so he's got kind of no hand on the left side. On his right hand, he's missing fingers. So he's adapted. To get a full prosthetic arm built is tens of thousands of pounds. There's many communities all on GitHub that people are printing different designs. The file for Open Bionics was downloaded from GitHub. These printed overnight and just break them off the beds, take the support material away, and it's ready to use. We now got the hand, which moves, but how does Caden tell the electronics what to do? So you've got your muscles in your arm. The Caden has a forearm, so we put sensors to pick up the muscle power, and those sensors are stuck inside the socket against Caden's muscles. I took the Open Bionics software into Visual Studio. I adapted it to work on the Adafruit further board and made the changes and got it working on the board and controlling the motors. So I thought to myself, well, I do mobile development. I use the Xamarin platform to make mobile apps. The benefit of using Xamarin is I write the code once and it runs on Android, iOS, UWP. I don't need to worry about accessibility because it does that for me. I've got access to Bluetooth, so I can connect the mobile phone to the hands. We can just select the grips that we want. The Adafruit board is fantastic. It's cheap, it does the job, it's great, but it has its limits. Meadow board is exactly the same form factor as Adafruit, but it runs .NET. I'll do a .NET build, push it up to the cloud using GitHub to send an update via the Wi-Fi that's on board. The open source for me is everything. I'm self-taught. Now I can look at someone who's written codes that's been doing it a lot longer than I have, look at their code base. Oh, that's how they do this. When it was his 15th birthday, I handed across this big cardboard box, and yeah, he was super excited. It was fantastic payback for the effort and work that's gone into it. I've got the price down to £500 for all the parts to make the arm. My dream is to stick it in a box, take it with me on the flights, go and visit a community somewhere in the world and show them how to build them so they can print arms for 3 or 4 local children. I want them to be able to use it to learn how to write code as well. VS Code is fantastic and it's free. It's important that people can download the code, and the fact that Microsoft make it freely available is fantastic.